Hi, Blue Sun team. I'm going to walk you through editing your website here now that we've launched. So from the login screen, all you got to do is log in with your information. And then this brings you to the dashboard. And once your WooCommerce store is active, later on this year when we add products, this will be pretty cool to see all your information on here. You have your stats from your Jetpack. These are all your visitors. Any of these messages up top here you can usually disregard. I'll come in and clear them out. And again, it's almost ready to go. So these are just some notifications, and you can customize this screen by clicking the down arrow up here, and I usually close out of that one. Anyways, to edit your website, it's very simple and straightforward with the Divi theme that we use. So come in here from your dashboard and you just click on Visit Site, and you'll have the toolbar across the top of the page here. So when you're on a page on your site and you say, hey, I want to make an edit here, let's say you want to do something on this site, you click on the Enable Visual Builder, and then this will bring up your site, and then in a way you can edit it. And then the footer and the header you can't edit on these pages. Those are on a different section, so those are a lockdown. But simple stuff, basic stuff that's in the body of your site you can do easily through the visual builder here. So let's see. All right, here we go. So let's say you wanted to edit this text. You had new text you wanted. You can come in here and click the module settings. So each module here will have a settings button. This is an image module setting button. And then you'll see the site is designed in sections here. And then we have, these are individual rows. And then here's another row with more modules, and still you can see the outlining and the shading it's really nice. You can see what you're editing, and what's part of what section and what row. So here's another section. This is blue. This is a new section. So say you wanted to edit this text, you got something new, come in here and you can click on this button, and then this is the visual builder. And just be careful if you have text coming from Microsoft Word or something else. If you're not copying raw text, unedited text, it's going to paste in with formatting like this did here. So let's clean up this formatting. You can see how how this has an 18-point span here, and that shouldn't be in there. And also down here. And you can see there's a slight difference in the text here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to copy this and paste it in like this without formatting. And a quick way to do this is right-click, copy, and then come over to the text portion here, and you can just paste it in. And then you'll see the formatting with that extra span's gone. You don't have to worry about that stuff. That was just something that I saw when I came in here. Otherwise, you come in here and you say, let's change this. We're going to make it worldwide. Worldwide leader. And then you just click on Save Changes, and that's where those are goals right there. But it's very simple to do. Click on the green Save Changes. I'm not saving it because we're not there yet, but someday I think we'll be there. We're going to close out. But I'm just going to come back in and paste that text in because I didn't do that. So come in here, paste that in. I still don't know why it's doing that. And delete that extra space. There you go. All right. Now this purple icon that I just clicked I clicked down here is pretty cool. So this shows you the preview settings. So right now we're in desktop view, and I can switch over to tablet view, and it shows you how things stack and how they'll look in the tablet, and then down to phone view. So I'm constantly switching between, all three of these views to make sure everything looks nice and spaced good, through the site. So a lot of times I won't do the mobile stuff until we're all done towards the end, but these three segments I use all the time. So it's good to give it a quick look when you make an edit just to see what it looks like. And then finally, when you're all done, you come over here and click the green save, and it spins and saves once in a while anyway, so it's always saving a backup for you. And to view it, all you have to do is exit out, and if you didn't save it, it'll prompt you double checking to make sure, hey, do you want to leave without saving or not? So that's a good check that's in there. And then you can just come down and double check your work, and it looks nice. So that's what we've got, and that's how you edit your website. And I don't think there's anything else that you'd really need to do. And if there's anything that is too much, or is covered under your maintenance plan, feel free to just shoot it on over to me, and I'll take care of it for you. So good luck with it all. And again, the cool thing, also one last thing before I go with Divi, when you're editing something, they have built-in videos as if this wasn't enough. Pretty much every module has its own video, so you can come in here and check out, okay, let's look at this, and then there's a help icon down here, and so you want to learn more about this particular image, the image module. It's super cool. You want to learn a lot more about it, see how it works, click on this, and then the theme at Elegant Themes, where we use the Divi theme. I use it pretty much exclusively now. Here all the help videos are built in, so you can just check these out if you want to learn more about it yourself. And like I said, each module has this is a text module. Come on in here and watch the help about that. And it's super cool. So this is just something that's built into the theme. So if you have any questions above and beyond, what I might have, and you just want to check it out yourself, that's where to do it. All right. Thanks a lot.